It's Evelyn. Welcome to my channel. I truly appreciate it. Today I want to share with you 5 oils that you can add into your own DIY hair growth oil that will boost your hair growth. I want to say that my hair is in a super shrunken wash and go, and soon I will have a video following this video on my wash and go. Now the 5 oils that I'm going to share with you in a few minutes, I want you to know that when you make an oil or purchase a DIY or purchase a hair growth oil, there are 5 things I feel that your oil should do for you. First, your oil should penetrate your scalp, nourish your scalp, heal your scalp, protect your scalp, and most of all, promote hair growth. The oils that I will share with you is a part of my DIY hair growth oil. The first oil I am going to share with you is, please do your research. I'm only sharing a small amount of information on each of the oils. So the first oil that I am going to share with you is sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is a great oil for your hair. You can add this oil also in your shampoos and your conditioners, and more than likely some of your shampoos that you use, if you turn around and look at some of the ingredients, you may find sea buckthorn oil as one of the ingredients. Sea buckthorn oil actually hydrates your hair, keep your hair super moisturized. And let me tell you about some of the benefits of sea buckthorn oil. This oil is high in omega 3, 6, 7, and 9, and the necessary vitamins that is in sea buckthorn oil is vitamin A, C, D, B, E, and K, and all the vitamins helps to promote a healthy scalp and healthy hair. A few other benefits about sea buckthorn oil: building great cells on the scalp, kills parasites that are believed to be the main cause of most major hair loss, parasites on your scalp. Sea buckthorn helps to stimulate hair growth while improving the overall health of your hair as well as your scalp. And like I said, you can add this oil into your shampoo, your conditioner. You can even add it into your moisturizing DIY mist to keep your hair moisturized. And this is what the oil looks like. I'm just going to hold it up. It has a goldish yellowish tint to it. And you can add this into your DIY growth oil that will help boost your hair growth. The second oil is Kalonji oil. Kalonji oil, take it out the box. This is a new bottle. You see I have been using it, adding it into my own DIY growth oil. But this is Kalonji oil. It is a black oil. It is also known as black seed oil as well. This oil is really great for promoting hair growth. Kalonji oil has anti-inflammatories and antioxidants, nutrients which strengthens the hair, treats hair loss. It also contains essential fatty acids and linoleic and oleic acid. This oil you can rub on bald spots to help increase hair growth. You can put it around your edges. You can add it, and as I said, this is another great oil that you can add into your hair growth oil that will boost your hair growth. The next oil is cedar wood oil. Cedar wood oil is another great oil to add into your DIY hair growth oil. Again, you can add any of these oils to your shampoos or your conditioners to give your hair that extra boost and extra nutrition. Cedarwood oil, as some of you may know, is one of the key ingredients into the Vicks Vapor Rub. That is in Vicks Vapor Rub that people are using on their scalp. This is 100% pure all natural cedar wood. This is no synthetic oils or anything like that. This is the real thing. This is cedar wood oil. Cedar wood oil is great for balding, for thinning, alopecia. It helps stimulates the hair growth. Cedar wood is used to help stimulate the hair follicles by increasing circulation to the scalp. It has a strong scent, but nothing too bad. It really does stimulate your scalp. Cedarwood oil can help promote hair growth and slow hair loss, thinning hair, and various types of alopecia. A side note here, you can apply this oil topically on your scalp. You don't have to mix it. It mixes very well with other oils, but unlike some other strong essential oils like peppermint, thyme, other strong oils that you cannot put directly on your scalp, this oil here you can apply directly on your scalp. So that is cedarwood oil. The next oil I have is called pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil is a great oil that you can add into your hair growth oil that will boost your hair growth. Pumpkin seed oil is known for blocking or helping with hair loss due to DHT. Pumpkin seed, you can eat pumpkin seeds, but this oil you can apply directly on your scalp as well to give yourself a nice massage. You can do a hot oil treatment with it, but it is a great stimulant to help boost hair growth. And let me tell you a few things about pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seed oil, natural and safe way to help regrow your hair. Pumpkin seed oil contains zinc. Zinc thickens the hair. And it also speeds up hair growth. So pumpkin seed oil contains zinc, which is which is important to thickening your hair and speeding up hair growth. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin K. It also contains omega-6 linoleic acid. Pumpkin seed oil can be helpful for maintaining a clean, healthy scalp and a strong, healthy hair follicles. So that is pumpkin seed oil. Okay, I have saved the best oil for last, and that oil is emu oil. This is 100% emu oil, and this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this oil. This oil definitely promotes hair growth. You can add this also into your DIY hair growth oil. You can add it into your conditioners, your shampoo. I absolutely love this oil. This oil truly promotes hair growth. If you have thinning edges, bald spots, this oil is great. You can rub this oil directly on your scalp. It really penetrates into the scalp. It doesn't clog your pores or anything like that. This is a really great oil. Emu oil wakes up 80% of sleeping follicles. I know because my follicles hibernated on me and I lost lots of hair. So this oil is great for waking up sleeping follicles. Emu oil promotes hair growth. It promotes hair growth due to its abundance of essential fatty acids. Fatty acids such as oleic acids, which researchers believe is the secret behind hair growth. They think because of the high amounts of essential fatty acid, which is oleic acid, is the reason for hair growth. Emu oil contains potent properties including omega-3 fatty acids. It is a great powerful DHT inhibitor. DHT is that hormone that causes baldness in men and women. You can apply it directly on the scalp. Give yourself a nice massage. It reduces hair follicles miniaturization, and miniaturization meaning that it helps prevent your follicles from closing up, getting really small to the to the point that hair can no longer grow out of your scalp because your follicles are closed. So emu oil is great for that. I love this oil. I'm so excited about this oil and sharing it with you. So add some emu oil to your, add all the oils that I've shown with, that I have shared with you into your own DIY hair growth oil to give your oils that boost. You see so many hair growth oils on YouTube, and their main oils are avocado, castor oil, olive oil, and of course we all know about the essential oils, peppermint, rosemary, all of those essential oils. But you have not, at least I haven't, heard anyone mention these oils in their hair growth oils. But I have pumpkin seed oil, emu oil, cedarwood oil, Kalonji oil, buckthorn oil. I can just go on and on. I have other oils. I would love to do a part 2 to this video, introducing to you 5 more oils that are great to help boost hair growth that you can add into your hair growth oils. So if I can get this video to 25 likes, I will definitely do a part 2 on other oils that you can add into your DIY hair growth oil that will boost your hair growth. So this completes this video. I hope this was another helpful, informative video, and I will see you in my next video on this super shrunken wash and go that I'm wearing right now. And give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.